Hey y'all, Zebra up here. Doing a little video about a battle I had yesterday with what a wonderful team. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get to the replay. I was in my WZ-113 and we're Port Bay, Supremacy Battle. Now as usual at Port Bay, you're supposed to go C and get your meads or lights to cross the river. Looks like we got two mediums and or lights over there. And I write meads cross, And I get told, that's, shut the fuck up by Lawless 64. No one cares. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm heading to C. Don't see our mediums going anywhere. Their light is already across. Hoping to get a shot on him. He stays smart. Goes just like I would go into that depression over there. Then I see he's got some help from 50 TP. Take a nice side to go try to get a shot on this 268 since he just fired. Meanwhile, I take a hit from the 50 TP, which I didn't enjoy, but oh well. And I'm getting called Garbage WZ by Lawless, who evidently is dead already, as we see. He died in 0 time flat. I'm going to try to move up, since it looks like their team's split. Try to get some shots over here. Going for the 268 again. Get a shot in him. And yeah, we're already down 2 tanks. Another shot into the 268, and then everybody starts, oh, quick, I want to get a kill, and this dummy dies. And our WT, Waffle Tractor, just decides he's gonna jump up there. I'm getting shots from both sides now. Garbage WZ, garbage WZ, garbage WZ. From Lawless 64. Anyway. I ended up doing 2160 damage. Not very good, but it was a pretty quick battle. And look at my team. We got 3 goose eggs, which I gave thumbs down to, and Lawless 64, the very loquacious Lawless 64. Let's look at him. 18.18% win rate with 18 damage per battle and a rating of 1804. I guess that's bronze or something. Anyway, yeah. 1,200 battles, 18% win rate, and he's calling me garbage and trash and everything else. Goes, this is the guy they call me trash. Yeah, this guy is not exactly the cream of the crop here. So 18% win rate, 18 average damage per battle. I don't even know how you can have that low. Where you ram heavies with a light or something? I don't know. But yeah, had one. Our object 268 did okay. Did better than me. Actually, he did the best of both teams, but yeah, there's no way to win with something like that. I just find it hilarious that Lawless64 is calling me garbage and trash. Has an 18% win rate and 18 average damage. I didn't even know that was freaking possible, either one, to have such a low win rate or such a low average damage. Anyway, yeah, fun battle. Not in the least, to be honest. But that's it. Anyway, Zebra Up out.